My name is Ikoy.
Hi, Go.
Yes,
Morning, Ikoy.
I am a local tourist guide in this island. So I'll give you the meaning of Mantigi.
Okay.
M stands for man. A stands for adventure. N stands for nature.
Wow.
E stands for Duresa. I stands for island. G stands for gorgeous. U stands for unique. E stands for enjoy yourself. That is the meaning of Mantigi. Tamigin is again. Thank you for your amazing today. But if you walk around in this island, please watch your step, watch your head, and watch my name. Pasok! Pasok!
Kuya Ikoy! Kuya Ikoy! Kuya Ikoy! Gano'n to ka-gore? Ano ba yung awat doon? Watch